So I'd like to play a little game to test your intuition, Brent. And to do that, I'd like to use these small little portraits of none other than Harry Houdini and his wife and assistant of 32 years. As you can see, they're small duplicate portraits. There's about 20 in all. And this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to place a portrait of Bessie right here and one of Harry right here. Now at random, I'm going to hold up a portrait. Let's just say it's this one. And you're going to tell me whether you think the portrait is Harry or Bessie. It's going to be one of the two. If you think it's Harry, I'll place it face down here. If you think it's Bessie, I'll place it face down over here. Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay. So at random, we shall start with this portrait here. What do we think? Do we think this is Harry or Bessie?
That's Harry.
This is Harry. Harry will go face down, and what's going to become the Harry pile. We're going to go rather quickly, so just call them out Harry or Bessie as you see fit. Harry or Bessie?
Harry.
Harry goes into, again, the Harry pile. What about this one?
Also Harry.
Also Harry into the Harry pile. And this one?
Bess.
Bess goes over here. Neatness always counts. Okay, and this one?
Bess.
Bess. Harry or Bess?
Harry.
Harry over here. We'll do a couple more. Harry or Bess?
Bess.
Bess. And lastly, what do we think this one is?
Bess.
Bess. Interesting. So far there's 4 and 4. You've been going back and forth. It's been very interesting to watch your process. But to mix things up, because I think, here's what's been happening. Each time I hold a portrait up, you've been looking into my eyes. And each time you do that, I think I'm throwing you off just a little bit. So now, here's what we're going to do. Now we're going to take a portrait of Harry and place him over here, and one of Bessie and place her over here. I'm going to mix up the portraits like this, and now once again you're going to call it Harry or Bess, and I will place them in the piles. Now this being the Harry pile, and this being the Bess pile. Go.
Bess.
Bess goes over here.
Bess.
Bess goes over here.
Harry.
Harry goes over here.
Bess.
Bess goes over here.
Bess.
Bess goes over here.
Harry.
Harry. Harry goes over here.
Harry.
Harry and
Harry.
and Harry. Again, 4 and 4. You've kind of gone 4 and 4. Very interesting. How do you think you did?
Not bad.
Not bad. Okay, let's just be abundantly clear of what we think the cards are. We think these are Harry. We think these are Harry. We think these are Bessie, and these are Bessie.
Yes.
Yes? Yes. Okay. We'll start with, let's start with these guys over here. So we'll start with this one. Well, there's Harry. You got that one right. And there's Harry. You got that one right. Look at this, Harry and Harry. And over here, you've got Bessie, 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 and Bessie. And if you look at this pile over here, let's see how we did over here. Over here, look at this. We've got our Bessies over here.
Whoa.
And our Harrys over here. We've got every single one of them absolutely correct.